Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Xiaomi or Mi 27W SonicCharge Adapter. This product comes with 10 layers of protection, which includes surge protection and overheating protection, as we can see on the package right here. And it can be used to charge multiple devices like smartphones, tablets, and power banks. On the package itself, we can see some Xiaomi branding on the top left, with the name of the product right next to it. We can also see that it is a super fast charging adapter. It also supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0, and we have already gone through the surge protection and overheating protection. Below that, we can see an image of the product itself with a Made in India tag. On the right hand side of the package and on the left hand side of the package, we can simply see the Mi 27W SonicCharge Adapter branding. There's nothing to see on the top, nor is there anything to see on the bottom. And on the back is where we can see most of the relevant information. We can see that the exact model number of this product is MDY-10-ER. We can see the net quantity or contents of this package, which is the one charging brick. To the right here, we can see that the product is BIS Certified. In the middle here, we get the input and output values. The input values are 100 to 240 volts AC, which also means 50 to 60 Hertz at 0.7 amperes. Its output value is 5 volts at 3 amperes, or 9 volts at 3 amperes, or 12 volts at 2.25 amperes. These values basically mean that it is not only usable in the Indian market, but it can also be used abroad. Right here, we can see the manufacturing and marketing information, and below that, we can see the customer care information. And that's about it on the outside of the package. Let's get into it now. In the package, all we get is the charging brick itself, and it has a shiny, glossy finish. Right here, we can see that it has a USB Type-A interface. And here we can see that it is a standard 2-pin Indian plug. Below that, we can see its BIS certification. Once again, we can see the input and output values. And to the right, we can see a QR code with some information about its recycling. To the top, we can see the Mi logo once again. Right here, we also get some more manufacturing information. And that's about it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.